at the gym.
All right, bro. Leg day again. You ready to suffer?
Always. Let's warm up with some light squats first.
Good call. Then heavy sets. I'm aiming for 225 pounds today, 3 sets of 8.
I'll spot you. Start with 185 for me. Still building back up.
No rush, man. Form over weight. Let's load the bar.
First set done. Feeling the burn already.
That's the point. After squats, Romanian deadlifts.
Yeah, 4 sets. Then leg press and extensions.
Don't forget calves, standing raises.
My calves hate me. How's your diet going? Need those gains.
Clean eating mostly. High protein, chicken, eggs, rice. You?
Same, plus shakes. Down 5 pounds, though. Cutting a bit.
Looking leaner already. One more set. 8 reps. Good.
Nice. My turn. Spot me close.
Got you. Push through the heels.
Done. Legs are shaking. Lunges next.
Walking lunges across the floor. 20 each leg.
Brutal. Then cardio to finish. 20 minutes on the treadmill.
Perfect cool down. Great session, man.
Yeah, feeling accomplished.
Planning a birthday party.
Okay, Sarah's 30th is coming up fast. We need to plan something amazing. Ideas?
Definitely a surprise party. Theme, maybe 90s throwback? She loves that music and fashion.
Genius. Everyone dresses in 90s clothes, playlists with Backstreet Boys, Spice Girls, all the hits.
Yes! I'll handle decorations, neon signs, disco ball, photo booth with props.
I'll book the venue. Her favorite rooftop bar or rent a private room somewhere?
Rooftop if weather's good. Backup indoor. Guest list, about 25 people.
Yeah, close friends and family. I'll make digital invites with a 90s design.
Food, finger foods, pizza, sliders, and a big cake with 90s theme.
Cocktails, too. Appletinis, Cosmos. Non-alcoholic options.
Perfect. Gifts. Maybe we do a group gift. Spa day or concert tickets.
She'd love concert tickets. Surprise element. We all hide when she arrives.
Classic. And a slideshow of old photos on a screen.
This is going to be epic. Budget around $800 split between us.
Sounds good. Let's confirm date. Saturday, 2 weeks from now.
Done. She's going to freak out in the best way.
Can't wait.